everybody, Ramey here, and today I want to talk about sharing your phone to your computer screen. So I've done this in a few videos and I had some people kind of ask me about it. So I just wanted to talk about how I do it. So I'm using a piece of, so you can see my phone's up on my screen right now really easily. You know, I'm using my phone. Everything I do on my phone happens instantaneously. Very, very simple. I'm using a piece of software called AirServer. AirServer is a piece of software, works on Mac or PC or whatever. Costs around $20, but it allows you the ability to very easily cast your phone to your computer. I tested a bunch of different options when I wanted to learn how to do this because I needed to do this for my job. So I tested a few different options out there, and some either involved me having some kind of hardware or there were some free pieces of software that kind of did it, but none of them were as quick, easy, and as efficient as AirServer. So I made the purchase after trying it out and decided that it was totally worth it. So I'm really glad that I did. Okay, so let's talk about AirServer. How do you use it? Okay, because you can see my phone. I mean, I can do anything up here and it's going to work. Like I can go into a browser, do whatever, you know, just go to a website. I'll go to my website. Just so you can see kind of, I mean, it does everything. It acts as your phone on your computer. Okay, so how do I do it? Let me disconnect. Stop mirroring. Okay, so we can see AirServer is up on my computer. So all you do after you install the software is open it up on your machine. You open it up and it's ready to go. So I have it opened up right now. All that I need to do on my phone is I'm going to scroll up. I'm going to click screen sharing. It's going to look for my computer wherever the software is installed. I'm going to click it and you can see it's starting to find it. In 1 second, it has found my device and is ready to go. That's how easy and simple it is. It's one of the reasons I like it, is that I can just do this so fast and easy. I can have my phone up on my screen for whatever I need it for. Just very easy to do on the fly. If I'm making a video or I'm on Skype or something and I need to pull my phone up to share my screen, I can do it so quick and easy. I just love this. So I love this piece of software. Totally worth the $20. Thank you very much.